How to use Sage Journals. Sage Journals is a platform that gives access to over 1,000 academic journals published by Sage in a wide range of subjects. Sage Journals can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the S tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. You can filter the results by article type, by publication date, or by subject. You can sort the results by relevance, by date, or by usage. You can preview an abstract of the article or click on the title to see the full article. You can jump to a section within the contents of the article, get the citation of the article for your bibliography, share the article by email or on social media, open a PDF of the article which allows you to print or download it. You can browse the journals by discipline and narrow by subject. Clicking on a journal title gives access to all the issues. You can also search within the journal. Scroll down the home page to find Sage microsites that bring together research on topical issues from across all the Sage journals.